In this instructional video for the JW Broadcast original song, The New World to Come, I'm going to attempt to show you the chord melody version that I like to play for this song. So instead of just playing chords, this actually allows the instrument to sing out the specific notes and make it sound more melodic. So like that. If it's a little too advanced, or if you don't like my explanation because I'm terrible explaining this chord melody stuff, go over and check out the simple strumming version of this song. And it's still fun to play along with. This is in the key of G. The chords that you're going to need to play this song are G, C, A minor, B minor, D with an extension, A 5th fret, A string 5th fret, E minor, A, B7, and then you'll have the option of playing just open A minor 7, open strings as well. So it sounds something like this. Alright, and once you have that, then the rest of the song, it just repeats itself pretty much. You'll need that, the strumming portion. I like to play that strumming down, down, up, down, up version for the chorus, and also for the instrumental portion of this song. But other than that, the chord melody sounds really nice to me. So how do you play this? You're just going to basically keep your chord shapes, but you're going to be plucking various strings to make those notes of the chord ring out. So I'll be referring to the various strings and the locations on the fretboard. So for example, we have G, C, E, A for your A2 would be your A string, 2nd fret. E3 would be your E string, 3rd fret, and so on and so forth. So this starts off in the G chord shape, but not pressing down with your middle finger. So your A is open. So, or you can just go and then play that G after you get that melody. And then lift up again. Now we're playing our E3. So take a moment and so we're going down the C, E, and A strings and going back up. C. Same thing over again, G. Lifting up, playing the open E, and then C. Children laughing at play. or you can do the pull off. So after you play the G with that open, with the A string open, you're gonna, after you play that chord, you're gonna strike down and pull off, and then play C. And then you're gonna start with the transition from C to A minor in a world. You're gonna pluck down on your C string, your E string, and your A. So pluck those three, and then immediately switch to your A minor chord and pluck your C. So open C, same thing with B minor, play that, C string, C chord again, C string, and D chord. So that goes. From there we go back to the same repeat, and taking care of this beautiful earth. So let's see. And here we're going to play our D extension, and then right to B7, E minor, and we're going to add an extension, that D note there with our pinky, right after you play the E minor chord. So, we will live in peace. Let's see. No. We will feel, let's see. How does that go? We will feel his love, sorry. A. And then you're going to pluck your C, E, and A strings and play the A minor. Immediately followed by ring finger on A2 and release, open A. You're going to play E3 and play the C. So and then in the new world to come, it's going to be, you can just pluck up on your open E, A minor 7, so A2, or so back to your E, E3, and play the G. So playing through that slowly, let's try to do that. extension, B7. All right, so I wish I was better at explaining this, or had some kind of graph to show you how, or illustration to show what specific notes are being played. But hopefully that was clear enough, and you'll be able to take some ideas away from this, maybe add your own, and enjoy playing this beautiful song, "The New World to Come."